Hi, I'm Mark Dunlop. I am a head of engineering at Xero, where I focus on engineering experience. Xero is focused on bringing accounting solutions online to small businesses. It's got engineering offices in Auckland, Wellington, Melbourne and Toronto. And so when you're spread out like that, it's very hard to figure out who owns what. Our problem was we're keeping track of this on a spreadsheet, like so many other companies do, and it gets really hard to keep it up to date. We built our own internal portal because we'd spread out, and we moved to Cortex because we're too big to maintain it for ourselves. Scorecards are a fantastic addition that we never had with our internal product. We really focused on the cataloging and the who owns what. It was really a key focus for us. So to be able to go beyond that and really utilize the data to help us standardize the way we do things, drive particular initiatives, get closer and closer to a common way of doing things via jobs to be done. Cortex fits nicely into that because it's a great way to collect all this information, which is then visualized in a variety of ways. So you can see where you need to focus. Do you need to standardize things? Do you need to look into particular areas and specific teams on productivity? And having that core of valuable information, and you could see that with Xero, even with our internal tool, 50 integrations that we looked after, it's valuable data. So, and it's going to be valuable in so many different ways, many of which we can't predict yet. Cortex helps us drive engineering excellence by being at the center of the developer's universe. So just that key focus on not just productivity, but on compliance with standards that are needed to ensure that what goes out at a rapid rate is safe enough, because it's very easy as a company focuses hard on productivity to actually lose a little bit of quality as well. When we moved over from Kotahi, our tool, to Cortex, it was really, we're doing the same things, but better. But now we're starting to use scorecards and we're starting to use workflows, and we can see the potential in that, and you can feel the buzz around the engineering teams and how we're approaching this. Whether you're a general manager at Xero or an engineer, you're looking at Cortex as your source of intelligence about how we're building software. Then it's a massive leap forward for us. With our old solution, our internal solution, it was an engineer's conversation. It was at that level of the business, but now it's being talked about by GMs and heads of engineering and by executive general managers as well. So it's far more pervasive through the engineering culture. So we're starting to think, where else could we go with this, because we've got such a valuable repository of data.